First up is cargo. What I had in my hand was a stowplan. The stowplan helps me locate where cargo is on the ship. Now I am tagging cargo. I use different color tag tape to separate the ports of discharge. I tag cargo so that the longshoremen know what to unlash. Here is the lowering of the stern ramp. The stern ramp is the main ramp of the ship and it is where vehicles are loaded and discharged. The ship also has a starboard side ramp, but this is hardly ever used. Lastly, for cargo, we have the deck lifters. The Motor Vessel Alliance Fairfax has 12 cargo decks. To accommodate for high and heavy cargo decks 4, 6, and 8 can be raised and lowered. In this video, we are lowering a deck panel on cargo deck 6. What holds the deck panel up is 4 corner brackets. To move the support brackets into position, a pull cord is released, allowing the support to pivot out. Next, we have seamanship. One of my jobs as the deck cadet is to raise and lower flags when we enter and leave port. In this video, I am hoisting the hotel flag, which means that we have a pilot on board. In this video, I'm replacing the reflective tape on one of our life rings. This reflective tape is also called Solus tape. Along with the bright orange color of the life ring and the Solus tape around it, to make it easier to identify a person in the water, the life ring also has attached to it a smoke flare. In this video, I'm painting the aft weather deck. Right now, I'm putting a second coat of red colored primer before I apply the gray top coat. We always put 2 coats of primer before applying the top coat. Primer gives us a good base layer of paint to protect the metal, and it also helps the top coat to stay on for longer. I'm using a roller with an extension arm to paint the area. A roller is the best painting tool to use to paint large areas. Lastly, we have stability. The definition of stability is the ship's ability to return to the upright position when influenced by external forces. The chief mate is in charge of calculating the stability of the ship. The chief mate calculates the stability every time we enter or leave port. If it is a long ocean crossing, like the 3 weeks at sea we spent going from Durban, South Africa to Kingston, Jamaica, he updates the stability every 3 days. The effects on GM of burning fuel is the same as discharging weight from below deck. As we burn more fuel, the weight of the fuel gets lighter. The center of gravity moves upwards and thus decreases the GM. 3 key things happen whenever cargo is loaded or discharged. The ship's draft changes, the trim changes, and the GM changes. Along with the GM, the other very important number the chief mate looks at on the stability report is the drafts. We want to make sure we have plenty of water underneath our keel at all times. This is especially true when maneuvering in shallow and congested waters. That is all from our SEER video journal. Thank you for watching.